check by the tree and see if St. Nick came.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, Mom.
Okay, you go check. Go check by the Christmas tree. Come here.
No, Dad. No!
Let's go see if there's anything in your shoes.
What is that?
Did he come, Sally? Did St. Nick bring you a treat?
Is that Santa?
Is it?
Yeah.
What's in your shoe?
Treats.
Who brought it?
St. Nick.
Oh. Does that mean that you're a good girl?
Yeah.
Oh.
2 treats. Is Santa right there?
Uh-huh.
Can I hold him?
You can.
Isn't that exciting?
What do you say to St. Nick?
St. Nick, can I come?
Did he come? He came already. He came when Sally was sleeping.
He didn't.
Are you looking for him?
I don't see him.
No, he's delivering treats to other boys and girls' houses now too. What do you think?
Is that St. Nick?
Kind of.
Yeah, that's St. Nick.
Yeah. Open up Santa's mouth. Tilt his head back.
St. Nick.
What's in there? Can you tilt it back? Like this. What is it?
There's a treat in there. Grab it. Here, Daddy will do it.